Rolling.
Rolling.
Yeah.
Sam, are you ready? Sam.
Son, are you rolling?
Sir?
Are you rolling?
Yes, sir.
Alright, roll.
Alright.
Master me, sim 13. Take 1.
Action.
Get a cracker boom. You know what I'm saying? You don't know cracker boom.
God do some here like that. Get up on here.
They touch any hand. I don't mind. Watch. D.
Sam.
Right up.
Sam.
Right up.
What is the problem?
I don't like you to.
Roll.
I will stop this thing.
Alright, roll. Pick up.
Pick up.
Wait. Just a kiss anyhow. What you just kiss anyhow, they talk anyhow.
You
Sam,
carry
roll,
that thing
Sam,
pushing
roll,
my
we are
breast.
losing
Why
light.
am I
What pushing your breast?
carry that thing pushing my breast?
We are losing daylight.
Okay, remove your hand now. They will never start.
Sam, we are losing light. Sound.
Sir?
We are losing light.
Thank you, sir. Alright, let's go.
Take 2 and sim 13.
Action.
Stop eating. What do you want to do? They say make kiss am. Nothing I don't talk.
Christ.
They say
Now person breast you dey do see.
they say make kiss am.
Sam.
Director, I will change am for this man.
What is the issue?
She want to kiss am.
Are you not seeing this?
She
We are
want to
losing
kiss
daylight.
this guy.
Am I your girlfriend?
Jogodo.
Am I your girlfriend? Am I your girlfriend?
They say make touch am.
Yes, they say make I kiss
Sam.
her.
If not, I don't shoot you again. No. I don't go do this hand again.
Cut.
Yes. Look at now, sir.
You got it, right? I don't like your attitude.
You need to sack this man. This is.
You are
You
embarrassing
need
my
to sack
Who you be?
You are embarrassing me.
You are
How dare you
embarrassing
carry
my
this
son.
thing pushing my breast?
You are embarrassing my artist, Sam.
Let's go. Get the
Francis, are you there?
Yes.
Let's go.
Sam, are you ready?
Hold your hand now. They never say action.
Hey.
They never say action.
Sam, are you the director?
They say action.
The man director.
They say action. That's why never say action. You don't touch am anyhow.
Okay.
Sam.
Sir?
Bro.
Everything. Sorry, sir.
Take 9. Master me.
Action.
Which man?
Come on.
Wait. Is that for script?
Sam, what's your problem? What's your problem?
She said when she promised her, she will not go touch that man again.
Who brought this guy to my
For that
location?
script.